The item ordered was about the size of my index finger. Wasn't breakable, wasn't fragile, and no kidding, it arrived in this. One of the reasons people hate work, one of the reasons we lose productivity at work is we tend to overload or overpack issues, when in fact we could ensure greater engagement, greater happiness, and greater productivity by just making it simpler and more productive. Let exceptions be exceptions. Not my phrase, a phrase I picked up from one of my predecessors. And I think it's wise because also often something breaks and the process wasn't followed. And then we insist on creating a new process, a process so complete that there are absolutely no loopholes at all. And so we add process to process to process, thereby increasing the workload and decreasing productivity. And by doing that, we create more workload, more complexity around something that really isn't deserving of that complexity. So as opposed to bundling those small issues in a big box, do this instead. 1, look at the process. Is it adequate? Is it serving the needs of the business and the team? 2, what happened? Why wasn't the process followed? Or how did that gap occur? Now, look back at your process. Can you solve that simply by following the process? 3, and this is a big one, stuff is gonna happen. It's not a perfect world. Mistakes will be made. Don't overreact, because if you do, you're building a bigger box around a probably pretty simple issue and making it very difficult for everybody. 4, always look for the simplest answer. The answer that is the most easily understood, the answer that is the most easy to execute and most efficient to execute. This company could have saved themselves a whole lot of money by shipping that small item in a box that was probably 5% the size of this one. By making things complex, by making them bigger than they should be, we cost ourselves a lot of efficiency and a lot of money, and we cost our team engagement by ignoring the simpler, more elegant solutions. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, please share and subscribe. If you like, I offer individual coaching and group consulting on issues like teamwork, developing careers, developing leaders. If you're interested, my email is in the description below. Thank you.